In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Google Chrome vertical bar. Easy screenshot guide for Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready to use. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to screenshot. You can type the web address into the address bar, or open a page you already have saved in your tabs. When the page is ready, press the Windows key, Shift and S at the same time on your keyboard. This opens the built-in screenshot tool in Windows. Your screen will dim slightly, and you will be able to select the area you want to capture. Click and drag over the part of the Chrome window that you want in your screenshot. Try to be precise, so your final image includes only what you need. This can help keep the screenshot clean and easier to use later. After you take the screenshot, it is copied to your clipboard. That means the image is temporarily saved and ready to be pasted. To keep it, open a place where you can paste the screenshot, then press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. This pastes the image so you can save it. For example, you can paste it into an image editor, a document, or another app that allows images. Once it is pasted, save the file to your computer so you can use it whenever you need. If the paste does not work right away, give it a moment and try again. It also helps to make sure you do not copy anything else before pasting, since that could replace the screenshot in your clipboard. That covers everything you need to know.